Today we are presenting a new document camera. It is the M11W. It is a wireless visualizer. It means that you can work in different groups in your classroom without using any cable. It's totally wireless and it has a battery that you can remove if you want to use, for example, using the USB cable. Just to connect, the camera is powered using the USB or using the battery, as you prefer. For the wireless connection, it's really simple. It has a built-in wireless adapter and also it rings with an additional wireless key that you can connect to your laptop and is totally plug and play. And then you can use all the benefits of this 4K camera in your AVerTouch software. This AVerTouch software is more than a simple visualizer software. In this case, it's integrating all the technology of Google Lens and is also integrated with Google Classroom. So you can get all the benefits of this technology. Let me show you how it works because it's really impressive. Well, we are using the AVerTouch software here with a magazine, and as usual, you can control the camera, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can do what you need. Also, you have annotation, you can record videos, presentation tools, you can do side by side, you can do comparisons. But let me show you something that is very new and very interesting. It's the integration with the Google Lens technology. If I click here in the Google Lens, it automatically is going to take a snapshot of the document or the object that I'm using. And then, for example, if I want to do a Google search based on this image, in this case is one of our AVer cameras, it automatically is going to search in the web, in the images, all the information related to this. For example, if I change to an auditorium picture here, it's automatically is going to find something similar. But to me, another interesting part is regarding to the text. For example, in this case, you can select a text, for example, this title, and automatically you can find all this information, related information in the web. Okay, or even more interesting, you can select a text and you can do translation. For example, we can translate to any other language. Let me find, for example, Italian, and automatically it's taking this text that I have selected and doing the translation into Italian or any other language that I can select from the list. For example, if I want to change to Chinese, I select and automatically it is translated. So it's really useful, but it is not the only that AVerTouch integrating Google Lens can do. Also, it can generate images using artificial intelligence. Let me show how it works. Now let me show you something very interesting that is related to the image generator. We are going to take a snapshot of this picture of the dog and the cat, and you can see that automatically the system is identifying and writing the prompt that we can change. For example, I add the illustration word and now it's changing to illustration style. Of course, when we generate this, we can save this picture, this new drawing. And now, for example, it is the image that we save. And now, for example, if we want to replace, instead of cat, for example, we put a tiger. We click generate and automatically it's going to transform the cat into a tiger. We can click again generate, we can increase or decrease the creativity, and if we add more description in the prompt, we can change what we need. It's really simple to use and you can get a lot of things. It is another example. For this postcard, is automatically detecting what is in the image, and you can see in the prompt that is detecting an illustration of a couple eating dinner in a restaurant. And now we are going to change, for example, in a water paint style or water cooling. We generate, and you can see that the drawing style have changed. Every time that you click in generate, you are going to generate a new a new drawing, and of course you can save different copies until you get what you want. You add more description, you can be more specific. Really convenient, and you can get multiple results in very quick. Of course, everything is stored in the gallery that you can synchronize with Google Drive.